Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man. You're tuning to Click React. Today we're doing a try not to laugh challenge, but this one was hosted by Kai, the Amp, the Ant Man them, and Adinross. So we're just gonna be watching that today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, man. Just do it right now. Turn on post notifications, drop a like. Know if you would fail or pass this try not to laugh challenge, man. We're gonna get right into it as usual. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Alright, if you laugh, you lose. Nah, if you laugh, you suck mad. If you laugh, you suck mad.
Alright, if you laugh, you suck.
He donated $1. Can y'all see who got the bigger sword?
It's me.
Let's do Dennis.
Oh, you laughed. You suck.
Yeah, that's who's laughing.
You suck.
No, I just knew this.
Alright, start it now.
Okay, go.
Smile if you like.
Phantom built like the word Mississippi.
Come on, bro.
Bro.
Why'd you have to suck his like that? You can take it off some
Mega donated $1. Yokai when's the next Madagascar movie coming out?
That's a good one though.
Mid. Don't
It
lie,
is
it
mid
was
though.
not funny. It was mid.
Ryan Hilfiger 500 donated $1. Lil Uzi Squirt.
Not funny.
Beansy donated $1. Is it me is Phantom built like a beanbag?
That's not even. Why not?
Shh, it's okay. 7
Evening Porter 206 donated $3.
Why they going for
Phantoms,
Phantom?
you gonna get a spicy double chicken grilled cheese burrito with a double grilled chicken nacho cheese, 4-season rice fiesta strips, creamy chipotle sauce with reduced fat sour cream,
Why they
and
get
a
the
double
whole order
cheese
like
blender.
that?
Like, come on.
Yo, why they have the whole order like that? You know what it is? That man gets that same shit too. Yo, bro, you guys all laughed.
Donated $1. Dookie suck it right now, and Adin I wanna suck it.
Alright, 10. Sorry about 10.
Alright.
Hey, hold on. It was only funny because it was like 4 back.
Yeah, like
4 different orders in one.
Alright,
Chris
hold on.
2X donated $1. Laugh if you'd bust Pammy.
Yo, now y'all up. All of y'all.
Nah, that's up.
That's
up.
His fault.
Who? David, right?
Yo, it's
Nah,
just
David,
beer
that's
fruity
crazy.
shit these bands are on, bro.
No, that's crazy.
One Stumble One donated $1. Aiden looked like he from Delaware.
That's not even funny, bro. Bro, can y'all tee up?
Yo,
10 to go.
real shit. Delaware does look old as fuck. They say it's the first state, right? I think it's the first or oldest state in America. Delaware look fucked up, bro. Aiden do look like that.
It's like, what does that even mean? I'm from Delaware.
Okay, 10.
You fucked, bro.
Come on, y'all. Come
You
on.
look broken down.
Big Brandon donated $1. Can Mexicans say I am Mexican, by the way?
No, I do not give you the pass. You cannot say it.
Alright, take it.
Good call.
I go. Yeah, one down.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying that they can't say that word. I'm not allowing them to say that.
Alex donated $1. Phantom knows Victoria's Secret.
Bro, how is that funny, though? It's my name. Bro,
Yeah, they love Phantom.
10.
Bro, y'all
Yes.
laughing at, what does that even mean though?
That's
bro?
what I'm saying.
Alright,
Phantom bigger than Pamia. Kai forehead looked like Mount Everest. Aiden looked like a normal white kid. And Fat Agent over here acting like he wants all of them right now.
Whack. Lono.
Luco
Yeah, that was not
donated
funny.
$1. Davis head built like a milk dud.
Alright, 8 more. 8. Spam 8, chat.
Hey,
Don't. Hold in. You got it. You just hold in. We have 8.
Fizzo donated $1.
Really?
Aiden got bigger tits than Pammy you. Kai looked like an alien.
7. That was not funny.
whack.
Why is Agent built like a chia pet?
Whack. Like,
That was a little bit.
No, it wasn't.
That was a little
How?
funny.
How?
Bradley donated $1.
Phantom.
Phantom so fat. He ate the finger from the girl yesterday.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Oh! No, that's.
Fucked up.
No, wait.
I don't even know what that is.
Go with the forefinger.
That's, see, that. Nah. Oh, God. Lono. Oh, God.
That's a low. Yeah, like how you just think, like how you just like.
Who thinks of
cross
shit
your
like that?
mind
Yeah,
like that,
like,
bro.
what the
Aiden's daddy donated $1. Dookie got the spooky Dookie missile.
Yeah, like I don't know who's in their chat. These are not it.
Bro, hold it in, bro.
It is such a waistband, bro. Look
Phantom
at
got
him.
some nice chicken arms.
What the?
Sorry.
That
Why
nigga
are you laughing?
That's not even funny.
I'm sorry.
That's not even funny.
Alright, we gotta go back.
Yo, it is dumb, bro.
Evan donated $1. Dude in back with hat looks like he got the face stretch filter on.
Okay, that was not funny.
I mean,
Nine.
he do kind of look like that. He do kind of look like that. Let's be honest.
You keep track. We have 9. Alright.
Aiden's left nut donated $1. Davis looking like Kevin Hart's long lost brother.
Nope. 8.
I know.
8.
Yo.
Dre donated $1. Aiden looks like he sells Chanel bags on Canal Street.
Not funny at all. Oh, we got this.
Bro, who the fuck is this?
LEPERCUN donated $1. Duke Dennis O. George Washington money.
Bro.
Yo, that nigga do look
Jason
like some
Rosa
back
donated
then.
$1. Phantom as the Burger King.
Alright.
That was a good one, man. That nigga do look like he's from back in the day, bro. Like,
What? What? That wasn't me.
No, alright.
it is so funny.
Tee up.
No, I laughed because this nigga looked at me.
Alright, lock it.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, lock
You
it.
dudes are actually
Bro,
stupid,
it's a
bro.
silence, bro.
I know.
Ten,
Lock
bro,
in.
yo.
Pone donated $1. My grandma and Duke was best friends in high school.
Alright. Nah, you guys killed it from the Lincoln
Why
one.
Phantom built like Pearl from SpongeBob.
I mean, come on, bro. Really?
I mean, yeah, they're really going in on Phantom.
My dick, God.
Right there, bro.
Bro, Ted, lock it.
Alex_Oppenheimer
Why were they
donated
going in on the
$1.
man like
White
that?
agent looked like he was the show Bob's Burger.
Nine.
Whack, nine. Come on.
Bro, we got this.
But what's it? I like it's $1 million on the line, bro.
Yeah, I think we actually had $1 million on. Yeah.
Bryce donated $1. Why Phantom built like a Bitcoin.
Not funny.
Not funny, bro.
Phantom, really, bro?
Yo, this guy's so stupid.
Bro,
Alright, restart. Come on, Phantom. Seriously, dude.
come on.
Why did he die for that?
He donated $1. Is that PBL Drake in the back?
Sure is.
Alright, 9.
Nine. Come on.
Knock in, guys,
Y'all
seriously.
niggas is tweaking.
Delatry donated $1. Phantom looked like he
It's
can do
10 in a row.
Brawlhalla combos with his titties.
That's whack. That's whack.
Yeah. Nigga don't play Brawlhalla, you ain't gonna know that shit.
That shit for love, bro. What the fuck is this?
Bonest donated $1. Phantom got them lunch lady arms.
Whack. Five.
Don't do it.
Five.
Think about your grandma's pussy.
Bro, come on, five. Whoa.
Gay donated $1. Don't laugh if you gay.
Don't laugh.
Four.
I'm sorry.
Just four.
Okay.
Four.
What is wrong with Aiden? But I tried to convince himself more than everybody. Man, I said, don't laugh.
Now we locked in. Come on.
Alright, now we locked in. Actually, come on.
$1 million.
$1 million.
$1 million.
One lore 7 _ donated $1. Phantom so big can't even fit in the parking spot.
3. It's the high record.
I get it. I get it. Phantom, like Phantom so big. Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
Wasn't funny though.
Real Bimo donated $1. Duke looking like he want a mean mayonnaise sandwich.
Sold up. They running out of bounds right now, too.
2.
Yeah, that shit was lame.
Literally it. This is it.
So.
Niggas, they scared.
Bro, y'all are not funny at all, bro.
TWOOD donated $1.
Oh my god.
Earlier when Phantom got up the camera legit shook.
Nah.
That's not what you wasted your money
T-Wood,
for.
Yo,
You just
at
sold.
T-Wood, he sold.
Everyone at you.
At
Elwood.
T-Wood.
Elwood.
Yo, oh my
One.
gosh.
This is it right here. We're gonna win, guys. We did it.
So
Hit the game winner.
I'm too locked in, bro.
Who's gonna shoot the shot? I'm locked in. I swear I'm not laughing. I'm not even in a laughing mood.
Loser donated $1. Duke looked
Yo,
like
honestly, when he said, I swear to God, I'm not laughing, I'm not even in a laughing mood, I would have laughed.
a Boondock Super Saiyan.
Eat my dick. Eat my soul.
Hey, somebody in the chat said Adin looked like a bitch, and I almost cried.
Honestly, their viewers or the fans or that chat was not coming with the jokes, bro. Like, niggas need to be more funny than that. Like, you know what it is? It's because their roasting is so censored and so nice that these people are learning a garbage ass roasting. Like, that shit was trash. But let me know if you guys would have laughed at any of that shit. 1 or 2 was funny, I ain't gonna lie, but it's because of the atmosphere and everybody laughing around, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate you guys for watching, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.